Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find other games that have been created by your favorite creator on Roblox. So for instance, if you really like this game and you want to find if they have like a similar game to this, or they have created like another game. So you're going to select the game, scroll down to developer and select their name. Then you're going to select the creations tab here, and you'll be able to kind of like scroll and see the games that they have created. As you can see, they've created a lot of games here. Maybe you want to play this one. I don't know how to like actually, okay, you have to click on it and then it's going to open up the game and then you can play it. And that's how you can search for games that have been created by your favorite creator on Roblox. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!